So you landed on this video because you just heard that you can get Nowsite for just $20 a month for the rest of the year. Actually, for a full year. And I'm going to tell you exactly how that's possible. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? It's Kwan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one going on 5 running years. And look, today, out of all the days that I ever told you you need to take action, today is the day you need to take action. It's not going to ever get any better than this. Okay, you know, if you guys been following me, then you know that I've been at this company for almost 5 years, like I said, and going strong. So this isn't a fly-by-night situation. This isn't like, oh, I wonder how things would be in 6 months, or I wonder. It ain't none of that. And now with the company scaling up, getting better, gotten better in time, now you can get it for $20 a month. What? As you see, the normal price is $47 a month, $444 a year, and now you can get it for $20 a month or $220 a year. Imagine only paying $220 and you got the rest of the year to run your business now. Or if you can't afford that, that's too aggressive, $20 a month. $20 a month. That comes out to be less than $1 a day. Less than 50 cents a day. You see what we're talking about here? Now we're talking about, like, there's no more excuses. Literally, unlimited websites, unlimited capture pages, email autoresponders, team section, Dropbox-like features, full analytics, ads, everything you need to succeed and promote your business, brand, opportunity. If you don't own any of the above, then you can use this as the business, brand, and opportunity. Make a residual income and know you pay $20 a month. I currently make $22,000 a month every single month, residually, back to back, and now you only have to pay $20 a month, and you could potentially be making $20,000. No brainer, no brainer. So this is a very, very limited opportunity. You need to join today. Like, this isn't I'll sit on the fence and think about it, and I'll see what's up Friday. Well, when Friday comes, it's too late. You're gonna say, Kwan, is that deal still available? And I'm gonna say, it sure isn't. And you're gonna say, oh my goodness, why didn't I jump? Because guess what? This is less than your daily cup of coffee at Starbucks. This is less than your lunch that you take on your break at work. This is less than if you live in a legal state and you like to smoke, or you like to drink your Budweisers every day, or you like to do any vice that you're currently doing. This is less than that. This is more affordable than that. And not only that, you're going to get back more in return than you're giving out. You're giving out $20 and you're going to get back a business. You're going to get back a branding tool, a marketing system, everything that you literally need. And in the beginning, remember, it was done for you system. Do it yourself system. DIY. I can do everything myself. Now I can fully market my business in 3 clicks. I can market my business with these websites that I can create. I can market my business with these. Well, guess what? Now it's done for you. DFY, which is, you can have the company build your website. You can have the company give you the perfect copywriting solutions every day. You can have the company build out your email autoresponders. Yeah, you heard right. Nowsite has switched over to a done for you opportunity versus a do it yourself, because they figured out people don't really want to learn a new skill set. People don't really want to do more work, right? They act like they do, but we really don't. So what better way than to just give people what they want? Yeah, you want to build a beautiful website. You just don't want to create it. Yeah, you know it's important to build your list. You just don't want to be the one to have to build it. So now you can have a Nowsite nerd and a Nowsite copywriter do just that. Are you picking up what I'm dropping down? So with that being said, because I'm not even going to draw this out. This is really that serious. If you want to join Nowsite, you've been sitting on the fence watching me for years. You've been joining this and that and this and that. This come and go, and watch this thing. And you've been watching me in this company be consistently just moving up, scaling up, making money from day one. Never made less than $7,000. I was 3 months in, and I never made a penny less. And that was in 2017. It's like the potential here is huge. I don't know no other company where you could potentially make thousands of residual income, but you didn't even invest, but you only had to invest hundreds to do so. I don't know any other company do that. I don't know any company I can only pay $20 a month, but I can make $20,000 in residual potentially. I don't know one. If you do, please let me know so I can join. These are the type of things that I want to join and be a part of. And these are the type of things you should want, because guess what? It's an easy conversation to have with people. It's a very, very easy conversation to have with people when you're saying, hey, $20 a month. So if you want to take advantage of this, all you have to do is hit my link below, just like you always do, getmoneylikeaboss.com. The only difference this time is that when you go in to check out, you want to put in the promo code 20. That's it. And now it will drop the price to $20. Or if you say, look, I just want to pay that for the month, be done with it, and I don't have to have this hanging over my head every month. Smart move. $220 for the full year. Use promo code 220. Now, what you're seeing right here is a battle to 1,000. So we're trying to get the first 1,000 new customers by May 20th. So as you can see, as you're watching this, I think it's only a couple of days left. You might be watching, it might be no days left. So that's the reason why I said jump on now. Now you can see right here, it's the US against the UK, because we got this little friendly competition going. So we want to see if we can beat them out. Right now, Europe is at 394 new customers. USA is at 381. Let's show them what the US is about, guys. Come on, let's knock this thing out the park. Come on in, let's get you going. $20. $20. And I'm even going to sweeten the pot. I'm going to sweeten the deal. Anybody that comes in today, okay? If you come in today, if you don't know, I'm the owner and CEO of Elite Smart Card, okay? Go look it up, elitesmartcard.com. Tap any compatible phone, instantly share your information via using this device, okay? So I am the CEO of that. You can go see what that's all about, all right? I might even put up a little video that you see, all right? But at the end of the day, everybody that joins today, but it has to be today. So when you're seeing this video right now, I'm going to give you a free Elite Smart Card. Okay. We got one branded to Elite Profit Takers. So I'm going to send you an Elite Profit Takers branded smart card. Now you'll be able to tap in your phone, share your information, share even this opportunity. All right. But you got to act now. You got to act now. All right. If you have questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer your questions and definitely get you going. All right. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos. You won't be the ones coming 2-3 days later talking about, come on, is that deal still available? I just happened to log on YouTube and saw this. And I go, oh no, that was days ago. Sorry. If you would have had that bell and you would have had that subscribe, then you would have got the notification. All right, man. So look, I gotta go and finish up what we're doing. Hopefully, I see you on the inside and we can really run this bag up together. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.